low tide. It's a pond. Poop.
Are you taking a turd pic?
That's the log I fell off of.
That it is.
Impressive. I think the view is this way.
Yeah, I know.
I can't believe it's only 1:30 in the afternoon. I kind of want to take a nap, but I'm like on a roll. Oops. Oh, on a roll. I do have to practice though. I just feel like I would practice better if I had a nap. I totally just took a nap. Hi. Haven't really talked to you very much during this video because I haven't been having a quiet morning. It's like 3 in the afternoon. We're about to get unquiet because I do have some practicing that I need to do. But it was nice to just kind of like chill and clean my house and just go for a walk, connect with nature first thing. Today is Monday. It's a Monday holiday. I do have some things to meal prep tonight. I'm gonna be eating a lot of broccoli and quinoa. I don't even like quinoa, but I'm gonna make it. Do I have a gig every weekend in June? No. Yes. I have a gig every weekend in June. And so it fucking goes. That is so pretty. for the day. Typically on like a quiet, slow living kind of day, I would do yoga or something with some calm, quiet movements. However, I decided that today we're gonna work out our chest and chest and triceps. Well, now that my triceps are completely shot to hell, let's make a trip to the store to get some ingredients for dinner. I'm gonna wash the dishes and then I'm gonna settle in to my night of cooking. And whenever I have a night of cooking and meal prep, I get my computer out and I usually watch true crime, but we'll see what's going on. I have a snack while I'm cooking healthy food. Counterintuitive, but whatever. Because today's a holiday, the store closed an hour earlier than usual, and I'm just like walking around, like moseying around. I get to the front of the store and they're like taking out the cash registers and like there's nobody. I'm just like, oh. But luckily they were really nice and understanding. They rang me up and now I'm here with my bounty of healthy, delicious food. I'm gonna try to make quinoa taste good. Like, I feel like quinoa is one of those things that like you buy because you know you should, because it's good for you, and then it just sits in your pantry for years. And every time you go to cook, you look at it and you make eye contact and it's like, not today, quinoa. But dinner tonight is just gonna be a broccoli and chickpea stir fry with a sauce and served atop of quinoa.
And removed from this land by immigrants and their sons. They came from England, Germany, and Ireland, seduced by the idea of the American dream, hoping for a better life. And for their descendants, that is still what's in
over a year and a lot more sales. For those who want to be seen, Wix.com/